Hello everyone, today I'm gonna show you how to install good lock apps on any Samsung phone. So this method will be work any Samsung phone. So at first open your Play Store, go to search option, search that to good lock. Okay, then showing it to good lock option, you just easily install, or if you don't find good lock apps on your Play Store, you just use another way. Open Galaxy Store, go to search option, search set to good lock, then you get good lock apps, you just easily install. Or the third solution, go to your any browser, like I'm open my Google Chrome browser, go to search option, search set to good lock, and you finally get good lock apps from Play Store or Galaxy Store. Just select and press on install, then successfully install your good lock. So that's it.